he would not eat the same piece from my hand, from his own hand, from the table. No, the same piece has to land on the floor first, and then he'll pick it up and eat it from the floor. Hi, David. No, beta. We don't play with wires. Good morning, it's Tuesday. I did not vlog yesterday. I was just too tired after vlogging continuously for 21 days. But welcome back to Weekly Wednesdays. If you're new here, then we do weekly vlogs every Wednesday on this channel. Although sometimes it's on Thursday, sometimes it's on Friday, sometimes it's on Wednesday. It's a little confusing at times, but we try to. अरे वीर, मम्मा का ऑफिस है वो, मम्मा की चीज़ है. But we try to do our weekly vlogs at least once a week. That's what we do. Come on, that's my little baby there. And yeah, still haven't taken the Diwali decorations out. We'll do that soon. It's Bhai Dooj today, and this is for the first time that I haven't really celebrated Bhai Dooj in the morning. Yeah, we haven't done Bhai Dooj in the morning today. We're going to my mom and dad's place today in the evening, where I'll meet my brother and we'll celebrate Bhai Dooj. So that is what is happening currently. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. I'm planning to wear this suit, which matches Veer, but it's a little too tight. I mean, the kurta is okay, but the chudidar is really tight. I love how chudidars look, but the silk chudidars are always tight. And I am ready to go for Bhai Dooj. The kurta is not, after all, that tight. When I first wore it, it was the first time I've ever worn this. Like, I wore this for the Diva Log intro video, except that I've never worn this whole set. So maybe it was just that, you know, just because it's been worn for the first time, I just needed to kind of break into it. But I've been wearing it for a few hours now. And it's super comfortable, and I'm ready, and I feel I don't know. I feel like my makeup is a little too white. Yeah, it's a little too white. I don't know what's happening. I cannot find like the perfect foundation since like forever. I have tried so many BB creams, so many foundations, so many things that I just cannot find the perfect color. I might have to go to MAC. Like last time I found like the perfect foundation was MAC, and my MAC is now finished, and I've been trying to get like a Sasta foundation, but none of them is working. Even the L'Oreal BB cream is not working. Like, I don't know. ऐसी गिफ्ट लाई आपके लिए, खोलो. Hi guys, it's 7 p.m. I haven't vlogged at all today. I haven't even taken a bath. This guy hasn't taken a bath. Yeah, our schedule got mixed up because of you. Most probably he's teething. I can see the fourth tooth coming out. I saw the fourth tooth yesterday. I can see another one coming out. So we might have two teeth coming out together, which would explain a lot because he has been cranky. His nap schedule is off the chart, and I think there's also a sleep regression around 10 months, so I think that is also happening. So a lot is happening with this little boy. Yeah, a lot's happening with you. Because of which his sleep schedule has gone to a toss, because of which my schedule has gone to a toss. So he woke up at 9:30 in the morning today, and then he slept at 2, He slept till 5, but he kept waking up after every 15-20 minutes and needed help going back to sleep. He's been a bit clingy since the last 2 days. And not just clingy like normal clingy, but clingy in the sense that he just wants me. Last night we went to my mom and dad's place for Bhai Dooj, and usually he's very, very friendly with people, but maybe he recognized that this is a different environment. These are not the people that I usually know. I don't know what happened, but he was extremely clingy. He was cranky. He wasn't even going to my husband, which is odd, because like if I'm not around, then he happily easily plays with his father. He's always happy with him. But yesterday it was just like, I want mama, I want mama, I want mama, like that. You were clingy all the time. Mama. Yeah, mama. So why are you hitting me? Stop hitting me. Don't hit me. It hurts. Mama will cry then. I'll be kissing. So yeah, that's what's happening today. That's what happened today and last night, and that is why I haven't vlogged. I just haven't. I mean, I didn't even like. This is the first moment I've gotten to kind of myself, and this guy is still clinging on to me. The point is, even when he slept, I had like other things to do, because even when he had slept, I had other household related stuff that I had to do and complete, so I couldn't really. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. I mean, you get the gist of it, right? Hopefully tomorrow will be better, but today I don't know what today is like. And he has learned how to climb down from sofas. Yeah. I don't know if I'm happy if he's getting developmentally ahead or whatever. Anyways, I got a lot of nice gifts yesterday. My sister gave me this little vase, which is so cool. So cool. And we were like, you know, it's white and has white flowers. It makes us look very sophisticated. I was like, yeah, I'll use this in my video backgrounds so that I look all nice and sophisticated. Now I just have to protect this from this. Where is this? Nope. So yeah, that's what my sister gave me. Although she's my little sister and she wasn't really supposed to give me anything, but she gave me that, and she also gave me a very nice jug of water jug, a very nice jug, but I have kind of kept it safely somewhere, so I can't really show you. My brother, my cousin brother gave me a very nice perfume. Basically he didn't, but my Bhabhi did because my cousin brother doesn't. He always forgets to get gifts. So, but this time Bhabhi remembered. My brother, my real brother, got me this, a little turtle with a bamboo in it, which is like so cute. It's so cute. I'm so happy. I don't know why it stopped recording. And my cousin brother got Aryaveer, basically my cousin Bhabhi, she got Aryaveer a nice little dungri which has a zebra on it, which is like so cute. So yeah, that's what we got this little boy. That's what's happening. I don't even know if I'm making sense right now, because I haven't taken a bath. It's 7 p.m. It doesn't even look like that my day has started. And yeah, I had planned to kind of shoot a video today. I had planned to do my Q&A video today, like shoot it today, but that hasn't happened. So I am so worried that he is now eliminating all his naps. Like, okay, maybe he's not eliminating all his naps, but I think he's going down to 1 nap a day. I have no idea how I'll manage that. 1 nap a day sounds extremely scary. More scarier than that is no naps a day, which I'm like so afraid. Knowing him, I know he'll like go down to no naps a day extremely quickly. I'm just so afraid. I'm just so afraid. So yeah. Hi there. Finally got Aryaveer to sleep a little bit on time. I'm right now making lunch. Moong ki dal and some bhindi. Me and husband are also now on a diet, about which I'll tell you like later in a little while. These vlogs might be a little bit from now onwards till December would be a little bit haphazard. some days we might be even missing, specifically because I don't think I've told you guys. I have told you guys that there is a wedding in the family. I haven't really told you who's and what. It's basically my sister-in-law's wedding, so it's like close family wedding, like it's like the wedding in the house. So the wedding is in early December, and then we have Aravi's first birthday late December. So this month, November, is going to be super busy planning both those things, planning clothes for both those things. Since morning I have been like, whatever little time that I had, whatever little non-Aravi time that I had, I usually vlog in that. But currently I'm just searching for clothes, because for the wedding I have like a sari that is in mind. I usually always wear lehenga on weddings, but I have this really nice sari, and I have this like inspiration picture that I kind of want to recreate. There's a designer called Ayush Kejriwal, and I really love his designs, and although I cannot afford his designs, so the point is, also my hair, I'll explain my hair in a minute. So what was I saying? Yeah, so I have this like inspiration picture that I kind of want to recreate, because that look is a very married, mature woman look. I'll try, if I remember, then I will put a picture here of the picture that I'm talking about. It's a very, I don't know what it is, but I like the vibe of the photo, so I'm kind of trying to get that look to be me on the wedding day. For mehendi, I still have to kind of decide. My sister-in-law hasn't really decided what she's wearing on the mehendi, so after she decides, then I'll decide. So my camera is going off memory. Wait, better. So my sister-in-law really hasn't decided what she's wearing on her mehendi, so till she doesn't decide, I am not going to decide, because like obviously mine can't be heavier than hers, right? So I'm waiting for her to decide, and then I'll decide what I'm wearing. For the tilak and engagement ceremony, that's the one that I'm really confused about, because everybody's kind of wearing like a western gown kind of a look, and I don't have anything with that look. Like, I'm a very traditional person. Like, I love wearing traditional wear, but everyone is like wearing something western and something like gown type and stuff, so I'm a little confused on what to do. So that's why I've been like, there have been no vlogs, because I'm searching for a garment, and because I cannot step out of the house a lot, I'm searching online, which makes it even more tougher, because I don't know what will suit me, plus I don't know what will suit my body type. I haven't still lost my pregnancy weight, hence the diet. So I have, although this morning, found a garment that I absolutely love, but I have to kind of also check if it can be made on time, because it's November 2nd, it's November 3rd. I know, but like it's November already, and I need that garment like before 1st of December. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Along with that, I'm also trying to find something that I have to wear for Aravi's birthday. So now, see, so much confusion. Now I don't know what Aravi is wearing when, so it depends on what I am wearing when. But what I am wearing when also depends on what Aravi is wearing when. So out of all of us, my husband's clothes are sorted, so that's good. Although my husband's clothes for Aravi's birthday is not sorted till we sort out what Aravi is wearing, and his is not sorted till we sort out what I am wearing, and a lot of clothing related stuff happening. I finally got Aravi to sleep today, a little bit on time. I think it's 1:45 right now, and he's asleep. I can make lunch, so I'm gonna go and make lunch. Bye. अरे वीर, आपके हाथ में क्या है? गड्ढा? Good morning guys, Aravi is asleep. I am just uploading my Q&A video and I am doing a little bit of research for Aravi's first birthday. So that is what is currently happening right now. Hello. मैं कैमरा नहीं खाता, तो उसको भूख नहीं लगी, वो खा चुका है, उसकी बैटरी फुल है. Hi guys, I don't even know if I vlogged anything today. I don't know, shit. I don't even know what I was busy with. See, that's the thing. Anytime Aravi changes his schedule, my day goes in a toss. The one thing that's exciting that's happening is Aravi has become a lot naughtier. Like, he started to do shaitanis, he started to do stuff like we were having snacks in the morning and he actually didn't finish his gobi ka paratha in the morning, so I was just giving that to him as a snack. So meals we have in our booster chair, which you would have already, I'm sure, seen in my almost all my vlogs. So meals we have on the booster chair, but snacks I prefer kind of just sitting down in one place and holding the plate and just letting him eat. He plays, he comes to me, I feed him. He plays, he comes to me, I feed him. That's how we have snacks. Which is, I mean, he gets really irritated if I put him on the booster seat for snacks, because like he just wants to play at that time, and even I don't prefer putting him on the booster seat, so I kind of always try to also make something for snack which is easily handleable. You know what I mean, right? So anyways, usually in the morning we do like a fruit for snack. In the evening it's usually scrambled eggs, or right now we had omelette or fry, anything that has egg in it. Or I could switch it around, like morning snack would be an egg. All the morning snacks are usually always lighter because he had just had his breakfast. So what he started doing was, so we play around the round table, which again I'm sure you would have seen in my vlogs. I was just sitting at one end and I was just giving him pieces to eat. So he would take it from my hand and he would put it on the table. He would eat a bite, go round the table, eat another bite. So he did that in starting, and then when his tummy was a little bit full, what he started doing was he would take it from my hand, put it on the table, throw it down on the floor, sit down and eat it from the floor. Not sure why, but he would not eat the same piece from my hand, from his own hand, from the table. No, the same piece has to land on the floor first, and then he'll pick it up and eat it from the floor. So that happened. The second thing that happened today was, so I was just sitting and I think I was busy on my mobile doing something, and Aravi was playing around, and he comes to me, and there are 3 charging wires on next to me, right? And they're just kind of the wires are just there, and I think they're just 2, but there were actually 3. So Aravi comes and quickly picks up a charging wire. He loves picking charging wires, I don't know why. So he picks up a charging wire, I quickly take it from him and put it away, and while I'm doing that he picks up the second one. So I turn back and I take the second one from him, I put it away, and then I turn back. I thought there were only 2. When I turn back, I see Aravi is holding another wire, and he's actually like literally giving it to me, like, you were taking these, right? So you can take this also. She's like so cute and so stupid. I don't know, maybe for you it sounds like what's there to laugh about, but for me it was like, oh my god. So yeah, I'm going to make quinoa pulao for Aravi's dinner, but I have a feeling I always undercook my quinoa. And if you guys know how to perfectly cook your quinoa, if you know a video, please do share that with me. I use the quinoa from Organic India, and yeah, I have a huge feeling that it's always undercooked, because it's not like all the videos say it's supposed to be soft and fluffy after it's cooked. Also, this light might not be annoying to you guys. My video is still uploading. So I can't go there, there's no light there. So basically, my quinoa I feel are undercooked, and I am worried that I'm feeding undercooked quinoa to Aravi, which is like... So if you know the best way What I do is I pre-soak it for 5 minutes. Then 1 cup quinoa with 2 cups of water. I first let it boil and then I simmer it for 15 minutes. And then it's done when all the water goes away. That's the recipe of quinoa that I know, and that's the recipe everywhere I have seen on the internet. But it's never fluffy and soft. It's like still semi-translucent and semi-hard. That's how my quinoa look like this time. This time they still kind of look fluffy and cooked, but before this it never looked like that. धागा पकड़ के धक्का मार रहा है और फिर पीछे पीछे चला रहा है. Guys, I need your help. I told you guys in this vlog that it's my sister-in-law's wedding this December, and for one of the functions, me and my husband, like for the Sangeet and all, me and my husband have to perform. Like the other people will also be performing, but we also have like a performance where we have to like dance on a song. We are so confused about what song to dance on, because the problem is my husband loves fast songs, and for him it's easier to dance on fast songs, just like Punjabi, hip hop, pop numbers. I like slower numbers. I like not really very, very slow, but I prefer like, 90s songs, or who's that girl who sings for Dandiya that has short hair? Why I cannot not remember her name. Remember her name. Farah? Falguni Pathak. So sorry. Did I just scream at you? Sorry. Falguni Pathak. I love songs like Falguni Pathak's songs, and how Sunidhi Chauhan sings. I like that kind of songs for performances, and something that's very sweet and has a little bit of rhythm to it, but it's not like slow enough that people will, doze off. So that's where the confusion comes in, because that's completely opposite of what my husband is comfortable with, and what my husband is comfortable with, I'm not really sure. Like, I don't mind dancing on like fast numbers and fast songs. I just feel that my jiggly bits jiggle a lot when I dance on fast numbers. So especially like if you're like dancing on a DJ, that's okay, nobody's really looking at you specifically. But if you're giving like a performance, then everybody's looking at you, and since we are like the bride's bhaiya bhabhi, then people will be looking at us. So we are really confused what to dance on. We thought about dancing on Saibo. That is the name of the song. Saibo, I think so. I am really bad at remembering stuff, okay? So we thought like that song is kind of close to our heart, because when we got like the first function that we had of our wedding was our engagement, and when we got the video back for it, you know how these days they make like a small wedding film and everything, so that so our videographer made like a small short intro or a film, whatever, for our engagement, and that was based on the song Saibo. So that song is kind of very, very special to us, and at least the family members would kind of get why we're dancing on it. I really wanted, like, if it was possible to have like our engagement video promo playing in the back, or even like the songs that are in our wedding video, just that clip, like that wedding promo or whatever, playing at the back, and then we dancing in the front, which would have been like really good. But the function that we are performing on is the guys' function. It's from their family, so we don't really control. We don't really control if we'll have like a background or what we'll have or not have. So that is not possible. Anyways, that is still a very slow song, which both me and my husband are not like 100% comfortable in. We want to do like a fun song, like Shaadi Ban Gayi, Umar Kaid Ki Saza, or Jor Ka, that's the same song really, Jor Ka Jhatka, Joro Dheere Se Laga, Joro Se Laga. Songs like these. We want to do those, but we just feel that since it's like the guys' side function, it'll just be like stupid. If it's our own mehendi function that we are having, we can still dance and perform on numbers like these, which are fun, which are like, don't get married. But to go to somebody else's function and dance on that would be just so stupid. So we are really confused what to do. Sorry about the wall. Our house needs repairing badly, okay? People repair their houses before Diwali didn't happen. People repair their houses before wedding, not going to happen. We're going to repair a house after Diwali, after the wedding, because that's the only time you're free. Anyways, back to the topic. So basically, me and my husband are lost which songs we should perform to. We were up till 2 a.m. last night trying to find songs that both of us liked. We ended up with no songs. Like, he was showing me all the Punjabi numbers, I was showing him all the 90s, you know, sharara sharara kind of songs. And we ended up not deciding on songs. So help us. Please, we need a song which would suit both somebody who wants to do like a faster Punjabi style dance and somebody who would likes to do like a proper performance, slower songs, which is still fun and which is still wedding appropriate and which would look nice if the bhaiya bhabhi performed on it. If the song can include like a little baby in it, full marks for that, bonus marks for that. But we can skip the child part also because we might even be sleeping at that point. Anyways, the point is, help me, please. We badly need help. We cannot decide on a song. Now I'm gonna go and YouTube wedding songs and look at all the lovely couples dancing on slow numbers, which me and my husband cannot do because that's like so boring. Like, seriously. Like, I love looking at couples dancing on slow songs and looking all romantic and all. I just feel it's like, if me and my husband start dancing, like, I know my family watches this, so I shouldn't really say this. But if I know me and my husband will dance, like, maybe I'll edit this out. I just need to say it right now. Maybe I won't edit this out. Family, if you're watching this, just skip like 1 minute ahead, please. So I know if we end up like dancing. Okay, I'm not going to say it. Forget it. I know family watches this. Bye. I just finished shooting the video that went up on Monday. I hope you've already seen that. And now my husband tells me that my makeup isn't looking that good. I'm like, dude, why didn't you tell me the same thing before I shot the video? I don't know. Is it bad? He's a guy, what does he know? Maybe it is bad. I don't know. I look really bad right now because I haven't even taken a bath. It's 2:30. I don't know about you, but he looks so cuddly right now. He just woke up from his nap and he's being so cuddly. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love it when he's in his good moods. I want to tell you guys something funny that happened last night. I was patting this little boy to sleep last night and he started patting me back. Hi guys, I think I forgot to end my vlog. It's 1? It's 1 right now and so it's Monday morning 1 a.m. I haven't finished my vlog. But basically, I know not a lot of things happened this week. I was just getting over the fact that I was vlogging every day. So I think the first couple of days on Monday and Tuesday, I just did not vlog a lot. And then nothing really much happened during the week. But we, like, from now onwards, the weeks will get interesting. The wedding is coming really close. Aravi's first birthday is coming really close. We are planning for both of them simultaneously. I'm planning both my clothes simultaneously. I am planning some DIYs for Aravi's first birthday. So much exciting stuff coming up next week. Also, I hope you've already seen my Monday video. So a new series is going on in the channel, which is also so much exciting. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already. A lot is happening. I will see you guys on Friday. Bye.